Awyr Dywyll yn Ynys Môn, tirwedd unigryw sy'n cynnig rhai o'r cyfleoedd gorau yn y Deyrnas Unedig i wylio'r sêr. Mae Ynys Môn ar fin derbyn statws Awyr Dywyll gymunedol, ac mae mwy a mwy o drigolion Môn yn cymryd diddordeb mewn seryddiaeth. Mae Menter Môn gyda chymorth líder, sef cronfa o arian Ewropeaidd a chyfraniad lleol gan ymddiriedolaeth elusennol Ynys Môn, yn gweithio gyda busnesau lleol i godi ymwybyddiaeth at sut a statws Awyr Dywyll, gynyddu'r niferoedd o dwristiaid i'n awyr nos ysblenydd. Yn gweithio gyda chwmni Dark Sky Wales, ymwelwyd â 10 busnes lleol i edrych ar sut mae modd i fusnesau Môn gael bydd o'r Awyr Dywyll, a sut y gallant defnyddio seryddiaeth i gynnig profiadau newydd i'w cwsmeriaid yn y dyfodol.
Astronomical almanacs will go off tens of years into the future. In fact, you can go 10,000 planetarium, you can go 10,000 years in the future. Events can be planned for. The main events that can be planned for are eclipses, you get planned realignments, you get meteor showers. Then you might want to start thinking about a stargazing weekend where you get something like some of them are called astro camps. You can get a lot of guests come in, you've got a campsite you can put them up in, you've got dark skies, take advantage of it. During the light pollution talk, we try to do a little exercise with the companies just to make them aware of the light pollution in their own properties. That way it gives them a bigger understanding, a bigger picture basically of what we're trying to achieve on an Anglesey wide scale.
Adolygwyd y busnesau yn ôl ansawdd Awyr Dywyll yn ei hardaloedd, a chynigwyd awgrymiadau ar y llefydd gorau i wylio'r sêr ac i gynnal digwyddiadau.
Some of our guests are very interested in the skies because we live in a very clear area here. They're very interested in the geology of the skies and the stars.
I think it's going to be a well worth exercise for and hopefully Anglesey will get the dark sky, the status as well, and for them to come to Anglesey have another angle of tourism on the island as well. So I think it's a very good move forward for everybody.
You only got to look at Snowdonia and Brecon Beacons in Elan Valley to see how having an IDA designation or International Dark Sky Association designation is going to increase business in the area. Brecon being the first in Wales to get the standard has seen a massive increase, and hopefully Anglesey will follow in that manner.
Mae Menter Môn, Dark Sky Wales a grŵp busnes newydd Awyr Dywyll Môn yn eich gwahodd i ddigwyddiad ar Fehefin yr ugeinfed, sy'n rhoi cyfle i chi nid yn unig i siarad gyda Dark Sky Wales, ond hefyd i wylio'r haul drwy offer arbenigol. Byddwch hefyd yn cael ymweld â phabell seryddiaeth, ble byddwch yn gweld ac yn dysgu am gysawd yr haul a chwedlau lleol drwy'r sêr. Am ragor o wybodaeth a lleoliad y digwyddiad, ac am Awyr Dywyll Môn, ymwelwch am tudalen Facebook Awyr Dywyll Môn neu cysylltwch â Jackie Lewis yn Menter Môn ar dim 1248 725 716.